Ready to maximize your success selling Medicare supplements? Ritter Insurance Marketing is proud to present the complete guide on how to sell Medicare supplements. It's a free 52-page ebook that's absolutely packed with everything you need to know about Med Supp sales. And when we say everything, we mean everything. We let you know what's required from licensing through contracting, but it doesn't stop there. Learn marketing ideas, how to generate leads, ideal clients, how to choose the right plans, quoting and enrollment tools, and more. We even included phone scripts to help you sell Med Supps over the phone. Oh, and MACRA? We cover all the changes coming to Med Supp in 2020 that you need to know about. Download your copy today. Just click the link in the description.